Oh, hi my lovelies. Thank you for being here. My name is Jen. If you are new to this channel or to this page, I'm all over social media. So I sometimes call page when I'm on Facebook, channel when I'm on YouTube, and there's also Pinterest and Instagram, you name it. But thank you for being here. So that's the most important thing, is that you're here and you're with me today. So if you have any questions throughout the video, pop it in the comment and I'll come back and respond to you, or just say hi. Love to hear from you all the time. So okay, grilled steak salad. This steak salad has a hint of like that southern flavor. It has a smoked paprika, again, my very loved seasoning, smoked paprika, garlic powder, oregano, salt, pepper, of course, you know that's important to season. Always season your meat with salt and pepper, and whatever you're making, you know, always season them well. So it's really a simple dish, and you can use any kinds of veggies for your salad. Here I just use some corn. I thought it would really match the flavor of the grilled steak. Some corn, some I have this ribbon carrots. I just use my vegetable peeler and kind of, you know, peel it off, and I get this really nice ribbon shape of the carrot. And then I also, what else I have? I have some lettuce, and you know, just I made a dressing. The dressing is awesome too, and the dressing you can use it with any salad that you like. So let's go ahead and start grilling. Here are dry rub: smoked paprika, garlic powder, oregano, cumin, salt, and red chili pepper flakes. So add them to the slices of beef and then toss. Make sure they're all coated and let them sit for about half an hour. We also slice them into thin slices about a 1/4 inch thick. Then add oil to your grilled pan and start grilling the meat. So we're gonna make our dressing. In a bowl, add your balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and also we are adding some honey, one garlic clove, and salt and pepper. Now use a whisk and keep stirring. And then we're gonna add the oil. Now keep stirring, keep mixing, because we're going to emulsify our dressing. You can use any veggies you like. I have carrot, ribbon, tomatoes, corn, lettuce, and some green onions, and you can also make some guacamole on the side. Okay, so that's easy enough, right? And like I said, all kinds of veggies will go well with this grilled steak that we season with chili powder, smoked paprika, oregano. That's southern vibe, okay? So let's go ahead and try. Love it. Tender, nice, well seasoned. It's kind of like I made that dry rub, and then you let it sit for a little bit and then start grilling. Just keep in mind when you're grilling, I can't talk to that. When you're grilling, you keep in mind that this is a tender cut of beef, and just keep an eye on it. Don't overcook any tender cut of beef, and especially you already cut it into thin slices, so it cooks really fast. And also make sure that you know it's seasoned well and to your likings. All right, and like I said, eat a lot of veggies with it, and make the the dressing, it's really a simple dressing. It's balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, a little bit of garlic, and just honey to just contrast that acidity from the balsamic vinegar, and it just goes so well with any salad. Okay, my lovelies, again, thank you for being here. If you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And thank you again. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.